see this only when you're ready for this message. This is a very important one. If you clicked on this video, it's unique for you because everyone should receive this message, but not everyone is ready to receive this message. So your subconscious mind led you here for a reason. Before we get into it, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I have created a course very recently called the Perfect Self-Concept course that dives deep into you understanding, knowing your worth, and you manifesting instantly, being able to be an instant manifester for the rest of your life. It's not just about getting a high self-concept, it's about maintaining a high self-concept forever. This goes hand in hand with the message that I will be talking to you about right now. So if you are interested, just click the very first link in the description box down below, or go on ritakaminski.com/courses to see all of the information and to enroll. I intend for this video to change your absolute fucking life for the best. Let's get into it. When you say something enough times, when you saturate your subconscious mind, you will begin to believe what it is that you're saying. The message for you is to start robotically affirming. If you have not robotically affirmed before, robotically affirm. And I have a video about that. I will actually be sharing with you guys all my robotic affirmation videos throughout the course of this video, so just keep an eye out. But the first one I want you to look at is here. Secondly, I want to say that if you pick one affirmation and you stick with it, you will be able to manifest your desire within 3 days to 1 month, depending on your resistance to that desire. If you believe that it's impossible or not. If you believe that it's impossible, 1 month. That is the maximum time frame. It should not take you longer than that. If it takes you longer, it is not a robotic affirming issue. It is a you are not robotically affirming enough issue. So what I'm saying to you here is, and I have been doing this for years. I've been doing this for a very long time. When I say just pick one fucking affirmation, I really mean it because I don't want to overcomplicate it. I don't want you to feel overcomplicated. I don't want you overthinking. First of all, close your eyes and ask yourself, what do I really want? What is the first thing that I would ask if a genie appeared right now and I knew that my manifestation was going to come instantly? That is the thing that you should be manifesting right now. So my affirmation now, because I truly went within, I closed my eyes, I meditated, and I asked myself, what do I really, really want? What is my number one priority that really excites me, that gets me going, that makes me just want to like jump to the skies knowing that it is a reality in my life? And that is being viral on YouTube, having all of my videos go viral. So my affirmation is all my videos go viral. And I just decided this today, and I'm going to stick to it. Because the thing is that if you pick 3 affirmations or more, God forbid more, and you add that to your busy, hectic lifestyle, I'm afraid that those robotic affirmations are going to get left in the background. The thing is that you must be doing this as much as possible throughout every single moment of your day, because saturation leads to dominant thinking, leads to believing, and that should not take more than 3 days for it to fully manifest, or for it to start to manifest. So what I'm saying with that logic, that you should just prioritize one affirmation, trust it and know it. And when you have a high self-concept, as I talk about in my high self-concept course, you will know that that affirmation is right. You know that everything that you're doing is right, and you know that you're going to be able to manifest it as fast as possible. So pick one affirmation. If you are watching this video, it is for you. Just pick one affirmation, affirm it as much as possible. KISS is not just a random phrase that people say. It's popular for a reason. KIS stands for keep it simple, stupid. Keep it as simple as fucking possible for yourself, because that will lead you to consistency. No matter how shit you feel, no matter how busy you are, you will always have that one affirmation, because it is so much easier than packing on a bunch of ones. Even 3 affirmations, it's just juggling all of that on top of juggling your life. Like, your life is like difficult enough. And we want to make it as simple as possible. So please trust me on this. At least try it for 3 days. Affirm just one thing as much as possible throughout the day. I'm gonna affirm all of my videos go viral. All my videos go viral. All my videos go viral. All my videos go viral. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.